I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Rivbos sunglasses. So these are polarized sunglasses, and some things I like about them. The lenses, again, are polarized, so that means that they will cut down on glare, and that makes them a great choice if you're using them for any kind of sport or any situation where you might have glare. So if you're fishing, you can kind of see into the water without being blinded from sun glare off the water. They're good for driving for the same reason, because it'll cut down on road glare and reflections and just make it a little bit easier to see when you're driving. In any kind of situation where you want to just have less glare, the polarization of the lenses is really helpful to help with that. They also provide you with UV protection, obviously really important in sunglasses since you're wearing them in the sun. Rivbos says that they call it an unbreakable frame. So the frame on here is all plastic, which means that it's very light, and it is very, very solid. You can sit on them, you can kind of crunch them. You don't have to worry so much about these being damaged. There's one screw holding these in place that you can replace, but I've never found that it's a problem. They're kind of flexible, and they do say that it is an unbreakable frame. So if you're the sort of person that sits on your glasses a lot, maybe they get damaged fairly frequently, check out the Rivbos glasses. Again, polarization, UV protection, super light. I think they look really stylish. They look really good on you. They've got these little nose, kind of rubber nose areas here, so it's very comfortable to wear. I wear them, for hours every day when I'm driving, and I find that these work great.